Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to our YouTube channel, and we are welcoming you to this new review. And this product is called PhotoVibrance.io. That's the website, you can see the top. Now this is the product which is going to be launched tomorrow on 8th of June, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this is absolutely a software, so I'm very glad that I am reviewing a product which is not a make money online product, right? So this is a digital product. You can see here, this is to do with your photos. It can get your photos moving, and in order to understand more exactly what I'm talking about, we'll have to watch this video. So before we start the review, let's play this video, go through this video, and then we will continue to talk. So here you go. Okay, so I think this will be enough for you to get an idea how this software is going to work for you. And this is actually focusing on creating the moving images. So let's go through the website, and I have personally liked this software pretty much because let's take a look first here. If you see these images now, look at this eye here, it's moving, and then this one moving the face. So this is the effect you're going to get to your images if you're going to use this software. And again, you can go through here. So there are n number of examples here. This one is quite interesting, the Canon photographs here, and you see the lion face here. So this is actually what this software is going to do for you. This is best if you are on Instagram to make Instagram photos or reels. So this is especially for Instagram pictures and videos, and it's going to give you these special effects here, as you can see. And again, there are pictures on the website here, and it's like you can see the different. This is a still picture, and this is the example of the moving picture. So this is what it's going to do is it's going to, and there's a video tutorial here how you can actually buy this software, or you can use it to make it work. And then this is very stunning. I have really loved this software, and also they are launching it on a special price. So it says that if you grab it early, that means you will have to only pay the one time. If you don't buy it early, then you'll have to go for monthly subscriptions. So as of now, the pricing is, I think, on one-time payment basis only. So at the bottom here, we can see that the personal plan is for $39, which is a one-time payment, and it gives you personal use license. You can create unlimited images, include 100 visual effects, 3D one-time payment, and on one device. Similarly, you have a commercial license which is for $49, and it gives you 2 devices, and it gives you the same features in the in one license. So this is actually the cost of this product, and the good thing about it is if you buy it on the date of launch, you will actually get it in one time. But they have planned to do it on subscription basis, like yearly and monthly subscription basis, which is going to be costlier if you don't grab the copy right now. So what I'll do is I'll put a link of this website in the description below. You can actually visit the website. You can watch the videos which are there on the website, so that you can understand how exactly you can use this software to enhance the quality of your photos, to give special effects to your photos, and this is actually, you know, a newbie friendly, so you don't have to be technical in this. And you know, you just have to click on some buttons inside the software, and you will actually be able to find the tutorials in this video that how you can, you know, get your images attractive. So all you need to do is click on the link in the description below, grab a copy, and it's definitely worth for people who are Instagrammers. You know, if you love posting pictures on Instagrams, or if you're a YouTuber, you know, want to, you know, make some videos and good pictures or thumbnails, so you can definitely use the software. So one-time, you know, fees only, and it's quite amazing. This is personally, I have loved it. And absolutely, this is not something a money-making software. So this is only a, you know, software which is going to help you to make lively photos, good photos, and that's it. So just check out the link in the description below, and we will come back with, you know, more reviews like this for actual products, not for, you know, those dodgy make money products, but actual products which actually can help you to give you some kind of, you know, attributes in your life, whether it's your, you know, this photo editing, whether it's something to do with the funnels. So we'll be coming back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and check out the software. The links in the description. Thank you.